Scandinavian baddies have taken over my For You page. Someone who usually does dark feminine looks, I have a medium to high contrast, but we're gonna do the low contrast, glowy, Scandinavian blonde goddess look. My clean girl hairstyle on, don't come for me. I hate my hair like this. For any makeup, but especially glowy makeup, you wanna make sure you have exfoliated skin. Like these Medicube Zero Pore pads, but I already used them today and I don't wanna overdo it. I'm on a Medicube kick right now, so I'm using the collagen toner, what are you? Well, collagen toner, yes. Any milkier essence-y type of toner before makeup will work. Merit Great Skin Serum is one of my favorite serums ever. It's literally the definition of glass skin. Mom's cat fucking hates me. Now I'm wounded. Finishing it off with the collagen jelly cream. I love how this is pink. In the Say Super Glowy Gel, this is the rose one. For makeup like this, I recommend using something with like a shimmer kind of base, whether it be e.l.f. Halo Glow, Flawless Filter, or this. Rare Beauty Brow Gel is one of my favorites. From what I've seen from this makeup, they don't really fill in their brows. A bit scary for me, but it's not like I'm bald. House Labs Foundation's probably the glowiest one I own. In the shade 130, I'm just gonna use one pump. I don't want to use too much. Also the House Labs brush, one of my favorites ever. Tap this in, trying to keep it on the perimeters of my face so my freckles aren't completely taken away. Shade match is bomb. Taking a little sponge and just kind of dabbing over it to absorb the excess product. It's a Beauty Blender body sponge. I don't have the regular beauty blenders, okay? I never use them. It literally looks like my skin, but better. The Makeup by Mario skin enhancers are the best for this type of makeup. Use these on bare skin. It's a balmy formula, so it looks really, really natural. Oh, mama. It's like almost blurring. I've never tried a bronzer that like blurs your skin like this. Nose contour brush and go into my brow and in my crease. I feel like this really snatches out your face. Like the eyeshadow we're doing, kind of. I don't have the worst dark circles, so I'm just gonna use color corrector. This Kosas pink one, I love this. That is all the coverage I really need. Color corrector, it matches my undertones and looks really natural. House Labs has these glossy highlighter sticks. One's like a pink shade, and I think it'll perfectly give with this type of makeup. Wow, mama. The shade Topaz on the outer half of my face to give me a little bit more color, and in my eyes right here. This is all about cohesivity. That's not a word. Oh, I think this is the glowiest I've ever been. Wow. A little bit of the House Labs concealer, a lot less than I normally do. If you go look at any of my makeup tutorials, you know I'm a full beat queen, so this is different for I'm gonna keep it lower on my face. I don't want to blend up because I like the shadow kind of. It like makes your eyes pop. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and tap over everything. I'm gonna be really precise with the powdering, just a little bit of loose powder on my eye area. I like the glow, but we don't want to be a slip and slide, okay? Right in between my eyebrows right here. And here, I don't want to look sweaty. Makeup by Mario Skin Perfector. It has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Under my eyes. I'm just kind of sculpting out every feature that's on my face. Setting the bronzer on the lid. Very lightly gonna go over my bronzer. Shimmer in it, so I have faith that it's not gonna take away the glow. I need a little bit to set, okay? I don't know how these girls' makeup aren't just sliding off their face. Always have super long wispy lashes. The House Labs mascara gives you wispy lashes. This is like the only brand I'm using. One coat. You see why I like it so much better. I don't feel as egg-like. I don't even know what my bun looks like from the back. I'm scared to edit this. Yeah, lashes are giving Scandinavian baddie right now. Little French Rosetta. Add some more pigment back there. Road lip liners really give clean Scandinavian girl. My cats are cracking out. This is in the shade Lunge. Really good My Lip But Better color. My favorite gloss is from Makeup by Mario. This is in Rose Water. I think I did a pretty good job. It's giving really glowy. I've seen some girls add a wing. This is the Kosas Hot Liner in a dark brown. Oh my god. Literally just draw a little flick and kind of smudge her out. The deal with the glowiest setting spray I have, which is Miss Charlotte. Boom, mama. My face is kind of a disco ball and I love it, oddly. Love this type of makeup when my skin's doing well like it is. I love this mascara. That's like the entire look on. I hope I made my clean girl baddies proud. Love ya.